So it is official. TikTok officially has more consistent viewers than YouTube does. And this is huge because you see tons of content creators, you see tons of small businesses using TikTok to not only blow up their own personal brands, but their businesses as well. And I really want to talk about how much money you can make on TikTok. Of course, there is the Creator Fund. And the Creator Fund pays you about 3 cents for every 1,000 views you get. So if you get 1 million views on a video, you're going to get paid about $30. And that's not a lot, especially considering how much work it takes to get a video to go viral and get over 1 million views, and to do that consistently. Now, if you're a huge creator like Bella Porch, Logan or Jake Paul, or any of those other massive creators that get 10 to 30 million views per post, it is something to consider. However, there are many ways you can monetize your content on TikTok. In this video, I'm going to primarily focus on people who create educational content or own a small business. Now, the number one thing to do if you want to monetize your content is realize that you have to build a path from someone viewing your content to buying your product or your service. So for example, if you're an online service provider, if someone sees your content and goes to your profile page, do you have your Instagram connected? Do you have your YouTube connected? Do you have a link in your bio that they can go to? Do you have a sales page on your website? Do you have other links on your Instagram and YouTube to then lead them to your website if they didn't take your initial link in bio? Are there links in your descriptions to take them to your webpage, like I said, to take them to your sales page, to walk them through the sales process? Do you have good copy on your website that will convert your views into sales? These are all questions you have to answer for yourself. I do help you with this with my business, Laney Media. You can find us at laneymedia.org if you're really interested in working with us. But I just want to provide you with the roadmap in this video to how you can monetize your content on the platform. Now, one of the big things that is changing on TikTok right now are the in-app purchases. And the fact that now brands can work with content creators to sell their products more directly with links built right into the post. So brand deals for content creators are going to be huge moving forward. If you have about 100,000 followers on TikTok, you can make anywhere from $500 to about $5,000 a month just off of brand deals. Of course, this depends on how engaged your audience is and what niche you are in. Now, if you're a content creator and you want to monetize your content, there's a couple of different things you can do. For example, if you're a content creator and you want to monetize your time, what you can do is you can put a link in your bio to have paid questions. Anyone can ask you any question, but they have to pay you $10, $15, $20, $25 for that. It is up to you to choose. This is one way to monetize your time and to create really specific, customized content. This works really well also if you're an educator, like if you're providing real estate tips or anything like that, or how to create businesses or anything like that where people can ask you questions. Another thing you can do is you can create a membership. This works well for content creators and educators because you can provide exclusive content, you can create educational content, and you can connect with your audience in a way that you really can't connect in the same way on TikTok or Instagram or any of these other platforms, but especially on TikTok. So creating a membership that creates recurring revenue for your business is a really huge way to monetize your content, your brand, and your platform. The last thing is if you offer e-products or services. There's a couple of different things you can do, from anything from management services, depending on the industry you're in, to one-on-one coaching to share your knowledge, or consulting. You can also provide services as well, or e-products such as ebooks or courses. There are also regular products you could sell as well. It just depends on what your business is or what your brand is. You can also sell merch. Now, merch is one of the last things I want to talk about because it is extremely hard to make money off of it compared to the other things I talked about in the beginning. But merch is an opportunity for you to really monetize your brand. This works really well if you have a really developed personal brand and you really engage with your audience and people are passionate about who you are and what you do. So there's tons of ways you can make money on TikTok. Now the question is, how much money can you realistically make? Now, a good rule of thumb for this, if you want to know how much money you can make and when you can quit your job, is roughly for every 1,000 followers you have, you can make $1,000 of income per year. And this is really because when you have about 1,000 followers, you can really start to kick in the rule of large numbers. You're going to get enough traffic, you're going to get enough views that you're going to start to see some sort of consistency in your sales for your services or your products, whatever it may be. It is also more advantageous for brands to work with you as well. Now, if you do want to start growing on TikTok and making a career path on TikTok, I suggest you do it as soon as possible. The time has never been better, and the organic reach you have on TikTok is not going to last forever. So I recommend you start now. You start building out your personal brand or your business or whatever it may be that you want to do, whatever drives you and your passion, whatever you have drive for. So to wrap up this video, I just want to share with you personally that I have done this. I have helped build a multiple six-figure business in the last year on TikTok, and it has been absolutely phenomenal, the results we have had. And I just want to encourage you one last time, if you do want to do it, now is the time to start. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure, if you haven't already, make sure to smash that like button. It really helps me in the algorithm. And make sure just to subscribe to the channel as well. I'm coming out with all kinds of new content related to starting an online business, building a brand on TikTok or any social media platform, and how to really utilize these opportunities in your life right now. So thanks for watching and have a great day.